good morning everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to cook. It's special because I'm going to cook noodle. But what the difference about this noodle is, I ordered this noodle from Amazon. I never tried it before. So this noodle is, we call it Tteokbokki. Tteokbokki means ramen tteokbokki. Let's check it out. Ta-da! I never cooked this before and it looked really good, and I got this from Amazon for 14 bucks. It is really heavy, and in the inside they have like stick shaped rice, cake and noodles with spicy sauce. I heard that in the review so many people say about this is really hot, and it's really good, so I want to try. Let's try it together. So it is like this in the package. Tteokbokki. Yes, baby. Tteokbokki. This is for 2 serving. And this is the ramen. I don't know my husband will like this or not, but usually he don't really into a tteokbokki, but he love ramen. This is the sauce. Ooh, I can't wait. And what is it? Oh, this is spring onion flakes. And the packaging is really nice. It's really thick and it's really safe, so don't worry about it. And I already boiled the water, and we need to wash this with cold water. I read that in the review. Some people wash this with cold water, some people just wash it with regular water, but I will try with cold water. Hi, good morning. You want to try tteokbokki? Of course no. So far my baby boy really likes spicy food, but not that spicy, it's just spicy. But he's really like any kind of spicy food. That's weird. He's a toddler, but he likes spicy. Hey, say hi. So this is cold water, and I'm going to rinse off. So I already poured the sauce, all of them in one package. So I need to stir maybe around 5 minutes until, and this rice cake is already like chewy, but it's not enough. I already cooked like 3 minutes, and so I need like maybe around 3 or 2 minutes more, and I will give you an update. Oh, it's already, I already smell this, like the sauce. It's like spicy and sweet, and I can't wait to try it. We don't need to keep stirring, but stir every like maybe 30 seconds. It's good because I don't want this, you know, it's just me, I just don't want this rice cake stick with each other, but so far it's really not sticky like that. We wait now. Oh, look at this. Yum yum yum. This is ready, guys. Oh, so thick, you know. And the noodle itself, this is a lot of portion for, I guess this is can be for 3 serving. So 14 bucks is really worth it. You guys need to try this, okay? So I will turn off the stove and let's eat together. Yoo-hoo! Let's try this together. I'm so excited.
Mm. At first this is not really spicy, but it's hot. Mmm. Mmm. So chewy. I think this is really good. Not too salty. And the flavor is just like, it's a little bit sweet. Mmm. Mm. I eat my hair too. From 1 to 5 star, I will give this like 4 star. Actually, I really like it. Mmm. Mmm. And the texture itself, the water is really thick and it's really good. It's just like tteokbokki. This is really spicy, baby. You cannot eat that. I'm sorry. He loves noodle. You know, he is Asian kid, Asian American, but noodle is number one. Mmm. So guys, if you guys want to try it, buy this from Amazon, of course USA only. The price is $14, and the name, I will put the name and a description in the description. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Bye bye, have a great day.